This is how to tie the uni knot. The uni knot starts with our main line passing through the eye of the hook, giving ourselves plenty of room with our line doubled. We pinch it at the eye, take our tag in and make a loop like this, and we want to pass our tag in through this loop 5 to 7 times. Like so, and we'll pull the tag in and begin to tighten it up. Like this. Now that we have that, we can pull the tag and start to tighten up our knot. And then as we pull the main line, it starts to cinch up next to the eye of the hook. We complete the knot by trimming the tag end off. And that is the uni knot. Very simple for beginners. It's an easy knot to tie. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Until I see you next time, thanks for watching.